So there is a reason I prefer the high volume for my setup, and that's due to my oil filter relocation. So you actually follow these black hoses, the oil runs out, and all the way over here to the oil filter that's located on the side of the frame, and then it will return all the way back in here. So right there, I have an extra pathway that was not intended on the factory oil pump. So after shopping around on eBay, there's a few options that shows the brand aftermarket. So I ordered a standard oil pump off of eBay from Performance Engine Parts. It states down in the description that it is the brand aftermarket. However, when I did get it, it was a Evergreen oil pump, which still seems to be pretty fine. I did contact the company, and they did say there was no mistake that they sent the Evergreen one. They said it performs just as good as the aftermarket brand. They did inform me that I could return it. Okay, one thing I've noticed on this stock pump, it's always had this cut right here. Usually the reason people cut their oil pumps is to accommodate for the aftermarket underdrive pulleys. This way that they'll fit up better on there without rubbing. So if you look at the back, there's actually a groove in this standard crank pulley. The other one is flat on the back. So this one, it's made to fit. You can kind of see it. So that slides over it a little bit when it turns. this one actually will rub on it and it'll stick out too far. You could get some washer spacers, but then your belts will be off a little bit. So by filing this down, this allows you to use the underdrive pulley. The previous owner, not the best job about filing this down, but it probably got it where they could use that pulley. A little thinner on the walls for the sensor right here is one of the things I've noticed. This one's maybe a little thicker. These are pretty much the same right here on the main difference you can see is that these screws are different. This one has a marking to show where it hasn't been opened. This one has a marking also, but you can barely see it. On the factory one, it does have this little mark right here. The other ones do not have it. There's also a tiny little number 4 right there. I don't know if you can see that. Alright, this right here is a little bit thicker on this pump. These are a little tinier. This one's smoother right here on the stock one. These have this little tiny indentation. since we're doing it. What?
Oh, there we go. So I have to push the little.